All right, today we're going to bring some smart cameras, and these are the model numbers X83 smart cameras. We're going to take a look at them and see how they work. So these are battery based, so you have to charge them up in order to have them, or you could actually add solar panels later down the line. But first, let's take a look at them. This is a dual, and see what you get. Out of the box, very neat, detailed. We're going to set one camera up today and see if we could get the other one going too. Depending on where you want to set these up, these are pretty good. If you're going to put them outdoor, these are outdoor graded, so you don't have to worry about, if the water is going to get function the system or not, because if you guys can see it, they're well sealed. Now, there's a couple things you should be aware here. Now, like I said, if you want to add your solar panels, you can. There's a actual micro USB that you can set up. Now, if you don't have the actual buy the services to capture any footage, you can actually put your memory card, an SD card, and then of course you got your power button, and right in the center of everything is a reset button to factory reset. You can do this either on the phone, or you can actually do it on the hardware here too. Now the camera functions are very small, you could put this anywhere pretty much, as long as you have a remote site, and the functions are wireless, so they're going to be capturing wireless through your phone or through your actual system or your card. All right, so if you have a service, if you pay the service, you could go online and capture some of the stuff and get some. So let's go ahead and remove this first, and we're going to set one of them up. All right, we're going to set up the actual functions for the camera itself. So we're going to grab our phone, and could be either iOS or Droid. So today we're going to do a Droid, and we're going to remote into it. So let's go ahead and set up the application. Some of these applications require you to register going and the camera going, and now it captured where the settings is. So we're going to go into the actual application you need. And if you guys can see Vico Home Security Camera application, we're going to install it. All right, now that we register and we set up the account itself, all you got to do is add a camera. But first of all, let's turn this on. So we got the camera connected. It's making a noise right now. It's trying to identify it. It picked up automatically. I didn't have to do any pictures or anything like that. Wi-Fi connection. So we're connected now. All we got to do is set this up outdoors. And of course, they're going to give you a 30-day trial for the cloud system. If you like it, you could purchase the service. But we're going to go ahead and update the camera. That's the first thing you need to do when you install it. So it's going to do the update, and then we'll come back and do a test in the outside. So the camera takes a wide angle of the whole entire yard here. Construction stuff, but we're moving things around, and we have a lot of equipment back here. This camera is useful for those kind of things, scenario for security purposes. So this is a day mode. We'll come back at night. This is a night mode. This is the night mode, and this is a test that we're doing out here with the camera. So it's completely dark back here. I hope you guys can hear me. I hope you guys can see me. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.